If you need to get your Hostinger invoice, this video will walk you through the quickest way to find it and download it in just a few clicks. Whether you need it for bookkeeping, taxes, or your own records, the process is simple once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website and hosting tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Hostinger account. You can do this by going to the Hostinger website and signing in with the same email address you used when you made the purchase. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand menu. This is where Hostinger keeps most of the account and billing settings, so that's the area you want to focus on. Next, click on Billing in the left menu. This section is where you'll find everything related to your payments, subscriptions, and past purchases. If you have bought more than one service from Hostinger, this is especially useful because it keeps all your billing details in one place. After that, go to Payment History. This is the part of the account where Hostinger stores your completed orders and transaction records. If you've ever needed proof of purchase, this is the exact section that matters. You'll usually see a list of your previous payments along with dates and order details, so take a moment to find the specific purchase you want an invoice for. Once you locate the correct order, carefully check that it matches the service you need. If you have multiple subscriptions or renewals, make sure you select the right one so you don't accidentally download the wrong invoice. This is a good time to confirm the order date, product name, and amount, especially if you're using the invoice for accounting or reimbursement. Now click Invoice or Download Invoice. Depending on your screen and account layout, Hostinger may show one of these options, but either way, this is the button that lets you access your invoice file. After clicking it, your invoice should download or open in a new tab, ready for you to save, print, or send wherever you need it. If it opens in your browser, you can usually download it from there or use your browser's save option. If it downloads automatically, just check your downloads folder so you can find the file quickly. And if you need to keep it for later, it's a good idea to rename it right away so you can identify it easily, especially if you manage multiple invoices. That's really all there is to it. To quickly recap, log into Hostinger, click Billing, open Payment History, find your order, and then select Invoice or Download Invoice. In just a few steps, you'll have your Hostinger invoice ready to go. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more clear step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.